Hi everybody! Guess I should move this. Yeah, it's been a while since I recorded a progress report video. And this is like the third anniversary of this project. The project started in September 2020. Now it's September 2023. Well, October. October, dude! October! 29th of October, so I'm 1 month late. About a month late for the third anniversary. And we have like lots of new stuff, lots of new features. The most obvious being like better materials and labels for things, and posters, correct posters, audio. We have partial audio now. Not everything is implemented, but it's kind of working. Gameplay is doing pretty well as well. We still don't have physics nor collisions and stuff. But we're gonna get there at some point, maybe. I don't know, because I haven't been able to dedicate a lot of time to this project. And yeah, that's how it's gonna be for a while. So let's get started. This is mission 3? Is that mission 3? Which mission is this? Mission 3 encounters. Yeah, that's mission 3. We're at the tech hub. And we need to get...
What the hell is wrong with this thing? Work, damn you!
Oh yeah, she's trying to make the...
Stay back!
The thingy work. The... hacking tool. But there's nobody here because they haven't implemented NPCs. But the hacking tool is there. And yeah, there you go. He just looks at it and
security. Circuits are fried. Easy.
Circuits are fried. Easy to fix.
Find a new data cell.
Oops, what did I do? I moved the camera. Oops. Apologies. So yeah, we were here. And she picked up the hacking tool. The objective is listed here. So primary objective is nothing right now. Sub-objective, find a data cell to repair the security access tuner. Yeah, that's what it's called in the game, security access tuner. And that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna just go down, 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 down. And we can actually enter these now. So if I press and hold, yeah, press and hold again. Just leave. All right, so then we go this way. I think there's a door over here that's locked. Yeah. You can see here the status of the door. Door status, door is locked. All right. There's a lot of debug stuff here. I apologize. This is low power. You can see here as well, like low power. We can't use it. But there is some stuff over here that we can pick up. I think the first one is the gun. Oh, I thought we would see the... Oh, there you go. I still haven't implemented like attaching objects to bounds yet. Alright, then I think... Oh, yeah, the alien drops down from this thing. Hi there. Okay. We can open this now because we picked up the key card over there. And... Oh, there's some audio. Search tech support for a new data cell. Okay. I think there's gonna be like a cutscene at some point. Oh yeah, there's that thing over there you can pick up. The door, cannot open it. There's this schematics. What is it for? Smoke bomb. Oh. Alright. What is this? Open search. Oh yeah. There's gonna be a cutscene now, I think. The flight recorder.
What?
Alright, it's a little bit out of sync.
Stay focused.
Stay focused. Yeah, it's a little bit out of sync, definitely. Push it away. And
Unauthorized access detected.
security lockdown initiated. Oh no. I detached the camera again. So I'm gonna have to move there. Yeah, it's like this is not meant to be played yet. It's more meant for debugging. So where did we go? We went over here. Yes, perfect. Okay, now I can use this thing. Stayed the little handle. And we use that. I have to pick up that thing back there. So this is pick up data cell for the security access tuner. So pick it up. Oh yeah, she's just putting it in.
One working access tuner.
One working access tuner. Perfect. And we go this way and we use it.
Let's try this thing out.
So there is no minigame. Like usually you just play a minigame with the access tuner, but it did not implement the minigame yet. You can also open this door with the access tuner, probably. Yeah. And pick up some stuff in there, but I don't really care. Now we go back. The alien's still there. Alright, so what do we do now? I think now we just go...
Give me a break.
Oh yeah, it locks. It's locked down. This is locked, so I have to go the other way. Oh, and there's the little vent if we want to go inside the vent. And there is a door that we can't open from the side. Yeah, this one we can. Hack the elevator. That's the objective. And then there's gonna be a cutscene now. What? When? Oh, I have to use this first, don't we? Alright. There's no sound. That's a bummer. There's some music. Yeah. Alright. And then we can keep going. And now we can open this door. With the thingy. There you go. Yeah, this assembly is not correct. Yeah, the gameplay is kind of there. I think now there is a big commotion over here.
Fucking shoot it!
Yeah.
Get out of the way! Oh, Jesus Christ!
No! No!
Yeah. But there is nothing that happens here. Maybe the alien appears. Maybe. No, not even. Need to implement that at some point. I think this is it. Like, it's over.
She was right here.
She
Maybe
was
she's
right
just
here.
scavenging like us.
Do you really want to take that chance?
Okay. We find
Find her
and
and we
kill her.
kill her.
This way. She was downstairs.
Yeah, this is supposed to have happened before, I think. Yeah, I think this is it. Now it's over. We just go in and we use this, and I think we get like a level finished in the logs. No, can't. No. What is this? No, I just want to search the logs. Well, I guess I can't. Yeah, I can't. Yeah, the level's finished now. That's basically it. There are other things as well that I implemented that I can't really show everything. I guess the sound banks I had already shown. Can stop all sounds and stuff. And then explore each wires bank. BVH. Oh yeah, I did this thing where I'm calling. Can I show geometry? Yeah, so this is the bounding volume hierarchy. I'm just calling it using the GPU. So there is a buffer as well. Yeah, there you go. So it's pretty simple. It just renders this to the Z buffer and then downsample. Yeah, see? And then I can just test like a screen space bounding box against this to see if it's visible or is called. Yeah, this is pretty cool actually. What else? The zones. This is like a visualization of each zone in the game. What else? Collision? Collision I had shown already. The nav mesh. So this is the nav mesh used by the alien to move around the station. You can see all the nodes. Oh, we're not showing the external geometry here. It's a bummer. Would like to show that. Can I just change the code on the fly? Let's see. That would be CA light map environment, I think. But since we're in release mode, oh yeah, that doesn't work. Cat. In release mode, this is going to take a while to compile. It's going to take like a minute or so to finish compiling. In the meantime, we can just move around. What else is there? I guess this is it. Oh, there is the reverse engineering thing that I made as well. Like, in the past, I had to open RenderDoc to see the source code of the shaders. Like to see the disassembly of the shaders. But now I don't have to anymore, because I have implemented the school thing where you can just click on one of the pieces of the object, like so, and then go to gedit. Gedit? There's no gedit. Whoa! There's no gedit. This is a new installation. Let's just create a new file here then. I don't know anything. Ooh. And paste. And then I have the source code disassembled over here. Almost exactly the same what RenderDoc would give me. And it's pretty nice. That's pretty nice. It just makes it so much faster to reverse engineer graphic stuff, which I haven't even used yet, because I haven't had the time to use this stuff. But yeah, there's that. Did we finish compiling? We have. Do we have external geometry now? We do. Look at that. Oh, amazing. And usually you're going to see that from the stairs. Where are the stairs? There. From here. So you'll be like, hey, going down the stairs here. There's this window. You can look through it. And marvel in the beauty of Sevastopol. That's not supposed to be there though. Yeah, so when you're looking through this window, that zone is not loaded. So you're not supposed to see it. Dude, this looks pretty good. I have to say, this looks pretty good. Yeah, there's been like lots of advancements, I suppose. And that's, you know, I would say like and subscribe, but that ship has sailed a long time ago. I am not a YouTuber. I don't make money out of these at all, so it doesn't matter at all for me if you like. If you want to see the next updates when they're released, might as well subscribe, right? Because then you just see it in your timeline and stuff. And that's that. You can follow me on Twitter and Twitch and stuff. I guess everything is in the video description. All the links and stuff. Alright, bye bye now. Thank you for watching and see you next time.